Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the no bra zone here in sunny Florida, guys. We're working on a reused canvas. I don't even want to talk about this painting. It was a total fail. I was experimenting, I was playing, and it did not work out. But it's nice and smooth. There's no goobers, so I thought I would paint over it. It's a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas, and it's 100% good to reuse. Today is slop bucket paint. Yes, slop bucket paint. What is slop bucket paint? It is paint that I have in a cabinet behind me that I keep behind closed doors so the sun doesn't alter it because it's in, clear containers. And I have a black slop bucket, blue, red, magenta pink, coppery orange, gold. And what I do is after I've finished a painting and decided that it's completely done, all the little bits of paint that I have saved in case I needed to fix a boo-boo on that painting or alter it somehow, go into a coordinating color. So I don't know what are in these slop buckets. I know the red got some Bordeaux red. Some of them have some piggies. There's some tri-art paints. I keep all the coppers and the oranges together, the nickel azo golds and the golds together, and the blacks and the dark blues. So I've got some pretty full slop bucket paints, and I figured, let's go ahead and use it. Now, I strain these paints before I get ready to use them, and then I doctor them up a little bit. All of these got a healthy squirt of GAC 800 stirred into them, and some of them got some water because my oranges, which had some Amsterdam Expert series in here, which is very thick. This was a little thick. So after I mixed up my GAC 800 in each one of these little buckets, I added the appropriate amount of water so that they would all be roughly the same consistency. And they're pretty spot on. I did a drip test on a paper plate. There you go. So what am I going to do? I haven't done an open cup in so long, and I was watching my friend Britta Clayton from Britta Clayton Designs the other day, and she does beautiful open cups. She actually visited me about 6 months ago, and we practiced the open cup, and I haven't done them in a while, and I don't really remember the consistency. I know it wasn't too thin, I know it wasn't too thick, so I'm working with this consistency, not too thin, not too thick. Leaves a mound on a mound before it dissipates below. And all the paints, like I said earlier, are roughly the same consistency. Now I want to leave a lot of negative space because I'm a negative space kind of girl. I feel that acrylic pours can sometimes be a bit busy, and the negative space gives your eye a place to rest. So my negative space is, I don't know, probably this black. This is probably Deco Art Carbon Black, Artist Loft Soft Body in the black, and probably some Amsterdam Lamp Black. So, bunch of blacks. We've got my magenta or my pinkish, purplish slop bucket paint, which is absolutely yummy. Let's take a look at that consistency. We've got our reds. This is probably a lot of Arteza Bordeaux red, some Amsterdam Carmine red. Bunch of different reds in there. This is our nickel azo gold and tri-art paints, and probably some Deco Art 24 karat gold in there. Same consistency. And then this one right here is coppers and burnt siennas, and I don't know. They're slop bucket paints. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down a little bit of my base coat color, which is going to be this black. Now I'm not going to cover the whole canvas. I'm going to decide the amount of negative space after I go for a while and do some tilting. So that's what we're doing. Original pouring medium for all of these paints was 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. That's the Liquitex in the black and gray label. And everything got a healthy squirt of GAC 800. There might be some Floetrol in the pouring medium as well if the original paints were used for a jiggle pour or a traveling pour, ring pour. I generally thicken up my fluid paints with Floetrol. So it's a hodgepodge. It's a hillbilly paint. And I'm okay with that, guys. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every